Would that help?
Mm-hmm.
Because you may need to do what? What might you need to do to subtract that? Because can we take, I don't think your 8 is over too far. The 8 goes in which column? Where do we start at? Okay. Okay, our mission failed because you added yours. We're subtracting now. So erase your answer that you have. Hey, get comfortable in your seat. Come on, sit up here nice and tall for me. What do we need to do there?
7.
Can we take 8 from 1? If you have one of these, can you take 8 out of there? Can you take 8 from 1? If you have 1 pebble, can I take 8 from you? Do you have 8 to give me?
Yes.
You have 1. You have 8 pebbles? No, not these.
Oh.
I only gave you 1. So do you have 8 pebbles to give me from your 1? You only have 1. So what would you need to do?
Get some more.
Get some more. So we're going to move into this column, the 10s. And what are we going to do? We're not going to take these just yet. What are we going to do here?
Right.
If we don't have enough 1s, what do we do when we go to the 10s? We ask them, can we do what? Can we borrow one of their 10s, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if we borrow one of their 10s, we're going to cross out the 4, because they have 4 10s, and if we borrow one, how many do they have left? If you have 4, and I borrow 1, how many do you have left?
3.
3. So you're going to cross out that 4, and you put the 3 above it. Okay? And then we're going to take the other 10 that we borrowed, the 10 that we borrowed, and add it to that 1 there. So 10 plus 1 is what? 10 plus 1.
9.
10 plus 1. We're adding. If we have 10 in our head and we go up 1, what do we have then?
7.
If we say 10 in our head and we go up 1, we're going to add 1 to it. What comes? 11. So we're going to cross out this 1 and put 11. Put our 11 right up there above it. So 11 minus 8. You need to clear that space down there because we haven't gotten to that point yet. All the way across. Clear all of that space down here so we don't get mixed up. Even this. Go ahead and erase that. Okay. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. What can we do to find that answer? 11 minus 8.
4.
Let's think about it now. 11 minus 8. If you have 11, do you need to use your counters to help you? If you have 11, then you take away 8. Okay, so put your 3 down there. Okay. What do we do here? 3 minus 0. If we have 3 and we take away 0, what are we left with?
3.
Okay, put your 3 in there. Okay. You want to try one more? Okay, 24 minus 20. 24 minus 20. Okay, good. Okay, let's talk about what you did. Which way do you like to figure out your problems? By using pebbles or different kinds of objects, paper and pencil, or thinking about it and doing mental math?
Writing it.
Writing it? That helped you better? Okay. Are there any activities you do at school to help you with this? What are some of the things you do at school that helps you with writing out these problems and solving them?
Well, they teach us how to do it on a chalkboard. Then on the mess, we do these on a mess.
On the mats?
On a mess.
Okay. What else do you do? Are you getting better with thinking about it in your head?
We used to do it for our homework.
You do it for your homework? Okay. So you like the paper and pencil method better? Okay. Very good.
It was small ones. It was 100, and it had a lot of minuses. That was easy.
It was easy to do all those problems? Okay. Okay, well, thank you, William.